Metals processing is one of the most vital actions in the manufacturing and building industries. In today's global economy, where several countries are greatly increasing demand for these types of goods, we must have highly efficient, cost-effective metal processing equipment. One company that exactly fills these requirements with advanced production machinery is Jiangsu Hoston, a subsidiary of Hoston Group. Our company offers a comprehensive range of services from manufacturing to trading. We specialize in producing and marketing a diverse range of metal processing machinery. Our product catalog includes, but is not limited to, CNC metal forming and processing machines, high-precision fabricating machines, and welding and cutting equipment. You may have complete confidence that our machinery is safe to use because we have achieved the CE, BV, and ISO 9001 Quality Management System certifications. At Hoston, we are focused on an international business strategy. The volume of our exports accounts for 85% of the total output. Each year, we participate in exhibitions at home and abroad. These trade shows allow us to present our production machinery to worldwide buyers. Our machines have been exported to more than 50 countries and regions. They are mostly found in Europe and America. All facilities are provided with a 13-month warranty. We sincerely welcome all customers to visit our manufacturing facilities and view our operations and quality products firsthand. You will see we can provide you with great quality, cost-competitive products, and complete after-sales service. At Hoston, we have established a 270,000 square meter manufacturing base and achieve a robust production volume. Our extensive range of processing equipment includes the gantry-type 5-face machining center, Mitsubishi, Japan, ACC 152-380 CN floor-type boring machine, Parma, Italy, Marzak Machining Center, Precision Guideway Grinding Machine, Sumitomo, Japan, CNC Turning Center, Spinner, Germany, DIXI 75 Jig Boring Machine, Swiss, Dovetail Grinding Machine, Gantry Milling Machine, and so forth. This world-leading array of equipment will ensure the quality of our products. The CNC press brake is best known for its partial bending function. This means the sheet metal may be bent at any point of the lower die. The entire machine is equipped with a full range of advanced devices, including the Netherlands Delum CNC system, German Feisler light curtain, Schneider electric system, ABB motor, Rexroth pump and valve, as well as the Japanese Yaskawa servo motor drive. Additionally, we have designed this equipment with a unique back gauge stop and a safeguard fence. The CNC laser cutting machine was designed with a cast structure. It offers a wide selection of laser devices which come from Trumpf, IPG, Enlight, and other brands. The aluminum cast beam weighs slightly less than 110 kilograms. This cutting equipment operates at high speed, and it can be outfitted with 2 tables. Our plasma cutter can perform bevel cutting with angle ranges from -45 to +45 degrees. It has the capability to cut Y and X-shaped bevels. The control system is available in various options. U71 manganese heavy-duty guardrail is used to ensure the beam will never be deformed. The hydraulic ironworker is configured with a temperature cooling system and automatic holding system. It offers 5 functions, including hole punching, flat bar cutting, round and square bar cutting, notching, and angle steel cutting. This metalworking machine is available with a double linkage. It enables 2 operators to simultaneously conduct the entire process, which results in greatly improved work efficiency. This gear hobbing machine has been designed with a quality axle assembly and a stepless speed regulator. Its high-precision ball screw support bearing is imported from the Japanese company NSK. Also available are the auto chip conveyor and the Rexroth Indramotion MTX microcontrol system, which can guarantee a stable and reliable performance. The CNC grinding machine can work on straight tooth internal gears. It also has the capability to handle asymmetric tooth special gears. The work table with worm gears can fulfill your large size and heavy-duty cutting requirements. The user interface is exclusively designed with a simple and intuitive menu. This allows parameters to be arbitrarily set and automatically calculated. This machine is appropriate for spinning of various materials. It can create a wide selection of shapes, such as horn, barrel, cone, and parabola. Not only that, you can use a single machine to realize multiple functions, including precision profiling, threading, trimming, flanging, rolling, etc. The punching machine is guaranteed to possess high accuracy because it comes with a dual linear guide rail as well as a high-lead pure steel ball screw. The cutting head can accomplish non-destructive hole punching 50,000 times. This hole punching equipment can be used more than 300,000 times. It is designed with 2 different molds which can work simultaneously. At Jiangsu, Hoston Machine Tools Company Limited, we produce the finest metals processing equipment at extremely competitive costs. We are on the cutting edge of production technique and product innovation in this industry. Please allow us to provide you with your metals processing equipment, and you will see the Jiangsu Hoston. You will have a true partner and trusted friend.